These are hands down the best English muffins you can make with a bread maker, and a perfect place to start if you're trying to feel better about the bread you're eating. If you've been around here for a while, you know I'm all about making bread from scratch, but doing it in a way that actually fits real life. And honestly, my bread maker has completely changed the game for me. Not just for convenience, but because it saves my wrist. Years of waitressing did a number on it, and kneading dough the traditional way can be a lot. So being able to let the machine do the hard work, total lifesaver. Today I'm showing you how to make my English muffins using the dough setting on my bread maker. And y'all, it's so easy. You still get that from scratch goodness, you know exactly what's going into your food, but without all that extra strain or time. And let's talk about bread for a second, because I know it gets a bad reputation, but in my opinion, it's not always the bread itself, it's what's in it. Making it at home has made such a difference for how we feel. I actually tweaked this recipe a lot from the original because there was no way that version was giving you English muffins. And these turned out to be the best I ever had. And you know I make a big batch just so I can freeze them. Flash freeze, then vacuum seal so they keep their shape, and future me is grateful.